very good morning to you guys from sunny Chiang Mai. It is well early for us because it is not even 8 o'clock and we're awake or dressed up, getting ready. Where are we going?
We are so excited. We are today doing a cooking class.
Who would have known that I'd actually tag along for one, but hey, here we are. So it's something that we had on the bucket list for a while. I mean, Libby did.
It was on my bucket list, definitely. We are doing a Thai cooking class and I could not be more excited. We're going to cook 5 different dishes and we are literally waiting for our host to come and pick us up now. We are so excited.
So, the host is going to come and collect us. Then we will probably be going to the market to collect all the ingredients, the produce and everything. And then we'll go back to her place where we're going to learn how to cook Thai food. Excited. There's going to be 5 courses. So yeah, we'll show you guys as and when we crack on. Our lovely host Apple.
Hey!
So she will be showing us all of the lovely stuff this afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Libby trying actual fresh coconut water. How good is that?
Oh, that is so fresh.
You like
oh my
it?
goodness, yeah.
Yeah, I love coconut
That's
water.
amazing.
Good job.
Oh, we never had like this.
Oh, you are now. Have it. Don't be shy, have it.
That is good. Thank you.
All the chilies, onions.
Oh, I had no idea.
And we're shaving the coconut in that little machine over there. Oh wow, it's literally turned into a paste. Wow.
So it's from the meat, not the water. That's how you make the milk.
Wow. So we put the coconut in there and shaved it?
Yes.
And it made it into a paste?
Like a paste, yeah. Like a coconut milk.
Oh wow.
Like a peel.
Oh yeah.
Coconut milk. So the peel, yeah, when you like squeeze it, he squeezed it and it all came out.
Wow.
And the condiment of papaya salad.
Ah, for papaya
Yeah.
salad as well.
Oh yeah.
Put
Yeah.
on top and with the peanuts. Like that.
Oh, these are peanuts. Wow, look at the size of these bad boys here. Wow, they're huge. These are shrimps.
Cooking oil.
That is the coconut press. Put the coconut in there. And came out down here like in the form of coconut milk, coconut paste more like. And it was actually amazing. Like, that's the coconut there. Put that in the press, it comes down. And it turns into coconut paste. These are the shrimps.
Wow.
All wrapped up. That is the Thai seaweed sarai.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, I remember. We're at a food market right now. We're getting all of the ingredients and we're being shown what ingredients we're going to be using later today. So it's been educational so far and it's really exciting. I thought food tour, but yeah, even I'm excited right now, so yeah.
This is so cool, I'm loving it. So we're going to learn how to choose the right mango now.
Alright, when you choose the right mango, or when it's ready to eat, you have to look at the spot in the middle, supposed to be brown, and hold it. Don't squeeze too hard. You can feel it's like soft meat.
You look at this? So if it's brown, you know it's ready to eat, and if it's soft, a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, okay.
Wow.
So we are here with Cook Cha. We just got here from the local market. We've got all of our ingredients that we need. We got all of the local stuff, the ingredients that we need before we get cracking. I am just going to be the cameraman, so I'll be watching Libby learn how to cook all of the amazing Thai food. And we're here with the lovely Apple. And there she is. And we're here with Cook Cha. So she's been lovely. Got some rice crackers, some tea. Gonna have that and get cracking then. Come on then. We're waiting for you. Ain't got all day. chop to chop. We got the workstation set up.
Oh,
That's for you.
Like this, dry and look like professional chef.
There you go. I love it. Oh, I've not worn an apron in so long.
Well, it's because you've never cooked.
There we go. I'm all ready.
So what's that for?
That's my towel.
Yeah, that's a quick dry.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. So right now we start cooking all three dishes. The first three dishes is the pad thai, tom yum, and deep fried fish cake. And this is the ingredients of pad thai. This is tamarind paste being soaked in the water.
Okay.
And remember when we cooking, we use just the liquid. And this is a palm sugar.
Palm sugar, okay.
Yeah, would you like to try some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it like peanut butter?
No, it's more like a caramelly. Amazing.
No, really.
Right.
Ta-da! This is my masterpiece. It's probably the best pad thai I've ever tried. Let me tell you that. Look at that masterpiece. I forgot about this bit.
Give you another one.
I don't think I can do it like that.
We've got a lot of focus going on right now, so that's a good thing. Good job. So that's all of the fish cake going together right now, mixing up all of the ingredients. Fire it up, Chief. Try here. Up.
Stirring, keep stirring. But yeah, that's still sizzling.
Yeah.
Look at my pad thai.
And now we serve
It's looking professional now.
And a little bit of lime.
chili powder and ground
Season it a
peanut.
little bit. Put peanuts on the side.
Oh. Don't forget the tom yum. We cook up that long. Okay.
Okay.
Just like a for garnish and then turn off the gas.
I did this.
Yeah.
Alright.
We've done it. It's the moment of truth, people. It's the moment of truth. Let's find out.
Let's sit.
Done.
So,
How cool does that look?
pad thai. Then we've got tom yum
yum.
soup. We've got
Fish cakes.
fish cakes.
How cool is it?
A la
I love it.
chef.
You're welcome.
Can't believe you've made all of that.
I'm excited. Here you go, try this. Remember, don't eat the leaves.
Leaves I normally tend to leave.
That's really nice.
Is it?
Oh.
How much would you give that out of 10?
A 10. Try some.
Good job.
Good, huh?
It's actually really good. I'm surprised. Good job. That's really good. That's really, really good. Like you can tell it's not overpowering or anything whatsoever.
But it's like it's a good mix of like creamy with a bit of spice, good flavour. So you've just finished, polished it off.
Wow. That's really good.
It's good, huh?
Wow.
What are we trying next? Fish cake. So we've got some sweet chili sauce in the middle as well, but ready? The perfect crisp, the perfect crunch. There's green beans in them as well, so they've got that nice crunchy vegetable-y flavour in the middle. They're just so good, I can't tell you, and they taste so ridiculously fresh. It's so good.
I'm gonna try the pad thai now. Let's see. Is it better than the one that we normally get? For real?
For reals. That is actually so good. Okay, so we're gonna just take a quick 15-minute break or so because the next bit that we're doing is gonna be like an hour of cooking, so it's gonna be a long bit. So yeah, we're just gonna take a quick break, we've eaten, we've refueled, we're ready to go again. We've got these little like mattresses here, so we're just gonna take a quick nap, maybe.
Yeah, you can lay down.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. You can lay down. It's like a mattress that comes in with a little back support, or you can use that as a cushion as well. Up to you, a pillow, whatever you want. So we're gonna take a little break.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna take a little break and then we get back to it. We'll show you when we get back.
Now it's for seal.
Aha, okay.
Basket around. Wow. So we don't need all the steam come out from the sides. First of all, please take a look. The uncooked rice of the jasmine one is look clear. This is that sticky rice. Uncooked look right. That is a more white color.
Yeah.
Also, there's a more tough color.
Wow, so we've mixed up the rice and the sauce.
Yeah.
In the sweet sauce.
Yep.
We're doing the last course right now. That is the dessert, another favourite, sticky mango rice.
Oh, I'm so excited for this.
This actually looks like the best mango sticky rice ever. The sticky rice is in the shape of a heart with the outline of mangoes. You've got coconut sauce on the side and you've got mangoes in the shape of a rose. How amazing is that?
That is my name.
That is Libby in Thai.
Yeah.
And she's graduated. Yes. Good job. Congratulations.
Amazing, thank you very much. Look, now I can make sticky rice with mango at home.
Yes, I am lucky. That is so good.
Amazing. Thank you so much. It's been so good, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, I've loved it.
So good. Thank you. So, you guys, we had the absolute best day. We've just been dropped back to our accommodation and we are finished. How fun was it?
Oh, so much fun. Had such a good time, and she was such a nice lady.
So friendly.
So accommodating, and the good thing was we were the only two there.
Yes.
So I stayed out of the way because I was doing the filming, but I did give a little helping hand every now and then. And it was £23 per person. We did pay 300 baht for me for tagging along, which is absolutely fine. But the good thing was they collected us. The name of the host was Apple. We'll leave the details below. So you guys can check her out when you're in Chiang Mai.
So friendly, so welcoming. And yeah, we absolutely loved it. It was such a good experience. Ticked it off the bucket list. And yeah, 1000% recommend it to anyone who's considering it. Do it.
And we will see you
in the next one.